Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to our events at TV. It's the Petro Premiership, Kaizer Chiefs 2, TS Galaxy 0. I'm joined by Umabaso and Black Hunter.
Hey, wethi boss mina ngisazi ukuthi ngiminye kuphi la ngizominya khona ngiphumelele. Noma ngithi ngiyale Pitoli kuyala. Ngisuka ngithi ngize FNB kuyala. Angisazi ukuphi la ngizominya khona ngizothi ngizohamba ngibuyele emuva nge-right.
Yala!
Hayi kuyala sibo. Ngiyaminya induni ibuhlungu. Nokuminya. Hayi Thibo saya ngeke Thibo. Labantu sengiyabasola ngathi balandele lento. Udinela ukubona iChiefs win 4 times in the row. Kucaza ukuthini mayi win 4 times in the row. Labantu sibajwayele ukuthi bahlala bakwatile baze bayotoyitoya. Manje mama wina wakotoyitoya abantu ngithe. Ubani uzotoyitoya? Angeke Thibos angeke since kwaba yimi ngaba umlandeli webhola ne ngiyaqala ukubona igame enganayo man of the match negame kuna man of the match bazonika bani ubani man of the match ngitshela ubani man of the match
Utasilva
uyenzeni wenzela man of the match la angeke since ngaba umlandeli webhola ngiyaqala nga ukubona igame enganayo man of the match abaphawulayo akuna man of the match ule game akuna man of the match Thibo wabona iGalaxy imanye abizele kuzomosha ibhola lePSL ayikota amasakwayo ihambe ayikwazi ukudraw 5 times in the row iteam enjani le idlalelani iTS Galaxy la ubani wayiphushini wayisa ku final singathi suka lana thina siyele ePitoli mkawa sobuka ifinal eGalaxy yidlala uDoti kanje ayime kancane Thibo imangaba sifikile isikhathi sayo sokuthi ihambe kumvela ayifutheke ihambe iqoqa amasakwayo azobuka ibhola enganethelele
ya mnandi
udlani member unginvitile Friday
yes leadership
bengisendleleni ngiye eMhlathuzi
yes
ngiyodlala neRichards Bay
ukhubukile
ya ngitholile iWhatsApp yakho ukuthi ngize studio uthola ukuthi ngisendleleni
hadi my leader
ngibuye ne1 point eMhlathuzi
yes is the league on
not yet uyaqala ngisho uyaqala
is the league on
ngibuye ne1 point eMhlathuzi
yeah
le 1 point engibuye nayo
yeah
yoswina league le 1 point le ngibuye nayo Friday eMhlathuzi it's very much important that 1 point is important that's why I'm not sad I'm happy we fought there we fought Papi Zotani came with the game plan uyangizwa mnganami Papi Zotani knows football he's a good coach but it's fine I'm happy with that 1 point because that 1 point at the end of the season I'm going to need it
bahleka masamakhosi ebona
listen to me
Chiefs
udla machief
ngithi ngibuye eMhlathuzi ngilendile today in the morning ngaza la FNB
sure
bengithi maybe ngizobona ifootball
ubone
mina ngibona umsangano ngakho
this is not football this is not football
Mandela I'm not going to single out a single player who performed today but Lilepo tried
I tried
TS Galaxy sold this game you know why they want to play in the Confederation Cup Kaizer Chiefs and then you know why again TS Galaxy is going to beat Durban City to qualify for Confed so this game for TS Galaxy, it was not important because they know they are going to play Nedbank and in the Nedbank they are going to win it and then after winning it they are qualified
for the Confederation Cup.
That's all right.
So today into ngibone ngapha.
Yeah, umsangano.
Yebo, umsangano.
Thank you.
Uyangizwa?
Yeah.
And then wena
Yes,
ngukhala kokugcina.
Yes,
Stop this thing of yours.
Which one?
Kuthi iligi iyepitori. Iligi ayiyepitori. I'm telling you for the last time.
Yeah.
This league is going to Escotine.
Yeah.
Pirates is going to win the league.
Yeah.
And then I'm not crazy. I'm telling you.
Makosi.
Mamela. Ngiyadabela ngomhlathuzi. Ngihambe Friday. Uyena 1 point. That 1 point I'm going to need it at the end of the season. Your status league.
Thank you, leadership.
Uyangizwa baba. So today ngithi mina ngizobona ibhola. Ngabona umsangano ngapha. Ayikho lento yabo lapha. Uyangizwa?